Couy Griffin is a former politician and county commissioner who is also the founder of Cowboys for Trump. In November of last year, Couy was pulled over by the New Mexico State Police. Griffin appeared very irritated for being pulled over for what he thought was an insignificant moving violation. Griffin told officers they should instead be catching drug dealers.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Well, okay.
Officer Glossop, New Mexico State Police.
Okay.
You turn the radio down?
Yes.
Reason why I stopped you is I observed when you were back there and you weren't wearing your seatbelt. You got your license, registration, proof, insurance? Any reason on that, or you just forgot?
Well, I just forgot.
Yes, sir. Were you headed to get some lunch?
I had to get my truck washed.
Oh, nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I thought maybe you were pulling me over because I waved to you. My registration,
Yes, sir.
my license.
Okay. Oh, you got about 2 months, huh? Left in your. Yes, sir. Awesome. So do me a favor, sit tight. I'm gonna call you back there. Okay, when I call you back, just make sure you don't have anything in your pockets or anything. Okay. All right. So sit tight. Yep. Still wasn't wearing a seatbelt. Good. Curtis Griffin, missing person, sex offender protection order. Okay. Good to go. I'm gonna give him a citation for seatbelt.
I usually do. It's because I work in the country to see what happens.
Yes, sir. I was gonna argue the same. Driver. Let's come over here. Just do me a favor, just keep your hands out of your pocket. I appreciate it. Yeah, right there's fine, bud. Hey, so I am gonna issue a citation for seatbelt. I take the seatbelts very serious, just because amount of crashes we've both seen.
What is it? Speak up a little.
I said I am gonna issue a citation for seatbelt.
Okay.
Take the seatbelts very serious.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, just because all the crashes I've seen.
It's
So
too bad you don't take more of the drugs and the other crime going on a little bit more serious instead out here citing people for no seatbelts. But go ahead and do whatever you need to do.
yes, sir. So
We live in a state that's just so corrupt right now and has so much crime, and there's two of you guys out here driving around citing people for no seatbelt. It's probably why New Mexico is in such a toilet.
yes, sir.
right now.
Yes, sir. So a seatbelt's still
Okay.
not wearing a seatbelt. You're
Sure.
still violating.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So you got two options. You can choose to pay a fine or appear in court. Which one would you like to do?
What is it?
You have two options. You can choose to pay a fine or appear in court. Which one would you like to do?
I'll appear in court.
Okay.
You know, the drugs right now are horrible. The property crime is horrible. And there's two of you guys riding around out here citing people for no seatbelts.
So we'd probably be doing the drug stuff if you were wearing the seatbelt.
Oh,
right?
really?
So
Yeah.
we're wasting our
Oh,
time here on
okay. Yeah. So
something.
the seatbelts take priority over property crimes and violent crimes
Oh,
and
yeah.
all the other nonsense going on. The seatbelts are really the focus.
Right
huh?
now, yeah.
That's what you're saying.
right now.
Yeah.
If you have
I'm
an
sure.
incident,
I'm
you can
sure.
write a letter to somebody,
Uh-huh.
so-
And we wonder why our state is so crime infested, while there's two of you riding around giving tickets for no seatbelts. Makes a lot of sense. But I'm sure the governor will be proud of you.
Well, it's not that hard.
Oh yeah, I know. It's you know, might not be that hard to really go after violent criminals too, you know.
Like I said,
with the drugs and stuff and the children that are and the violent crimes that are going on,
Right.
and you guys are so concerned about somebody not wearing a seatbelt. Where's the priority? Or is there just not money in that?
No, I hear you. Yeah.
I'd be embarrassed. I would. I mean, I don't know.
Here you go, sir. Here's your license registration. Hey, hold on real quick. I'm not done yet. Wait for your citation to print out, okay?
Okay. Just the reason why the crime's so bad. You know, why not go after the drug dealers? Why not go after the property crime guys? Why not spend your time and your focus in that instead of prioritizing seatbelt?
All right, sir. Here's your citation, okay? Do me a favor, sign right there. Initial here. By signing, you acknowledge that you're going to appear in court within the next 2 to 4 weeks. You're going to receive a subpoena, which I will receive one as well. And we'll both be in court here in Alamogordo, okay? So stand by while I scan your signature, and it'll be good to go after that, okay?
202.
Suggest you wear a seatbelt.
Oh yeah, I suggest you go try to find out who's dealing drugs and destroying our community. That's my suggestion to you.
Wait.
Hey, yo, you're free to go.
You said
I'd be embarrassed if
No.
I was you guys.
All right, don't forget to wear your seatbelt.
I'd be embarrassed. Whenever we live in a state, there's a toilet right now, and you guys are outside and people for no seatbelts. What an embarrassment you are.
be safe, sir.
Oh, sh- 10-4. Go ahead and show me 1053, one issued.
Griffin pled guilty to the charge, with it being dismissed if no other laws were broken in the 90 days.